action. You're a big movie director now. Hey guys, it's Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach. They call me the pontoon ninja here because I know all about these Harris boats. Starting back here, we've got a Verado 250 Mercury motor. This is an AMS. This is the top of the line application. Looking back here, you've got these large tubes. They're very big. They are specific to our lake. This is the only place that they stock them on every boat. We all know why, because our water's incredibly rough. Follow me into the boat. Nice, easy, very friendly ladder back here. We've got tow bar, safety chains, family can ride back here. The trim level on our Harris is very nice. Flip up cleats, kick plates. We've got storage in here.
Hold on a second. What's the purpose of the kick plate?
It's just, if you look at all our competitors' boats, they've got a cutout, they've got bent metal. They just cheap, quick manufacture, get them in, get them out. Harris does not do that. That's something you see. There's lots you do not see in these boats. I'd love to explain it if you come see me. My contact info will be below this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. We give you some nice Lake Ozark sized bumpers, oversized, large storage to put them all in there. Flip down, you've got JL speakers on the back, putting out a lot of sound for all your COVID nap needs. If you look, this is a nice lounge. It's got a nice contour for your body, very ergonomic. Storage everywhere, continuing. You open this up, easy access to your battery switch, 2 batteries. There is a maintainer with a quick connect plug on the outside.
And that's good for when you're
out of town. You plug your boat in, it's ready for when you come back.
Awesome.
Raised helm in this model. We've got a nice vinyl floor. This seat is extremely comfortable. Wish I could stay there, but we got to do a quick video. We've got Simrad, we've got GPS, we've got depth finder, tachometer, speedo, all GPS, JL. We got zones in that, digital throttle, shift, ownership of that's great. Let's see what else we got. We got a 12-foot bimini. Go ahead.
Is this the pillow top, or what do you call this?
Yes, this is our pillow top package. Very plush, very luxurious. Entertaining your friends is just at another level in this boat. This moves wherever you want it. You can throw it out the boat. Something to point out here is you're either getting something in or taking something out, so your hand's full. Harris has a great system here to do just that. You got a flip down cup holder. A lot of people like to put a trash can down in there. Let's see here. Watch out, Ben. We've got nice storage. People like to put their bumpers, life jackets.
Cooler didn't fit nicely.
Yep, cooler goes in there. Again, more cup holders. Cup holders are king. Easy storage, excessive storage everywhere in this boat. Something I want to point out is we have a quick connect bumper system. You clip it in, you clip it out.
Ski locker.
Yep, sorry, ski locker. You've got your JL subwoofer, premium sound. You can set zones in it, making it quiet here, loud out back. Something for safety. If you look, that's a full-length doorstop. Takes 400 pounds to push through that. Come see me. I'd love to show you some more on this boat. Thanks.